Finally, the South African rand edged higher in early trade Wednesday, buoyed by a tentative ceasefire between Israel and Iran, easing geopolitical tensions and lifting risk sentiment. Now, with little on the local data front, markets' focus remains on global events. By midday, the rand firmed to 17.77 against the dollar, gaining 0.2% from Tuesday, while the dollar held steady overall. Attention now shifts to Thursday's Producer Price Index and the Reserve Bank's quarterly bulletin, which will offer insights into foreign investment trends. Meanwhile, the JSE was mixed by midday. Industrial stocks like Telkom and Pick n Pay posted gains, while financials lagged. Market analyst Julian Rads has the latest on the day's market moves.
The South African market opened with strong momentum. The rand initially trading as low as 17.65 to the dollar, adding towards 1.5% gain for the week. It has since retraced and now is trading closer to 17.82. Equities followed in the rand's lead, giving up its earlier gains on broad-based profit-taking in the South African market. The biggest drag on the index, the banks, specifically Nedbank, down nearly 6%, on a poor trading update from management overnight. Commodities saw silver and gold flat, while PGMs were lower on the day. The South African bond yields continue to tighten as interest rates expectations are adjusted by traders. South African bond yields continue to tighten, now at their lowest level in over 3 years. This comes as traders adjust their interest rate expectations for a potential cut by the SARB next month, bolstered by lower oil prices and a stronger rand, supported by the ceasefire between Israel and Iran. With no major local data points on the calendar, traders turn to the Middle East, where the truce between Israel and Iran